Did you know sleep affects your blood pressure? When you sleep, your blood pressure naturally drops. But not getting enough sleep can prevent this dip, potentially leading to high blood pressure. Sleeping less than 7 hours a night is linked to a higher risk of developing hypertension. Irregular sleep patterns can also increase your risk, even if you get enough sleep overall. Poor sleep patterns, including short sleep, trouble sleeping, and sleep disorders, are associated with a higher chance of hypertension. Prioritize a consistent sleep schedule and aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. If you're concerned about sleep and blood pressure, talk to your doctor. A good night's sleep is vital for your heart.